Here's the lesson for escape sequences. In this lesson, we would be learning what are escape sequences and examples of escape sequences. In C programming language, there are 256 number of characters in character set. The entire character set is divided in two parts. That is the ASCII character set and the extended ASCII character set. But apart from that, there are some characters which are not the part of any character set and are known as escape characters. When a character is preceded by a backslash, it is called as escape sequence and it has a special meaning to the compiler. An escape sequence may be composed of two or more characters. It always starts with a backslash. Look at this printf statement. Here, the \n is an escape sequence used. If we write this statement without using \n, it would be printed as I'm learning C programming on a single line. But due to the use of \n, it would be printed as I'm learning will be printed on one line, and on the next line C programming will be printed. So the /n acts as an enter key, which is called as a new line character. Here the n is preceded with a backslash, so it has got a special meaning, which is a new line. But keep in mind that the backslash has special meaning with few characters only. If we write \1, it would be meaningless and it would be printed as it is. So here are some examples of escape sequence. \b represents backspace. \n represents a new line as we discussed now. \t represents a horizontal tab, that is, it inserts a tab whenever used. \v inserts a vertical tab. Double backslash is used to print a single backslash. Now single quote is used to print a single quotation mark. \double quote is used to print double quotation mark. Now, here it is interesting to know that if I need to write I am learning C programming, and C programming is to be quoted in double quotation mark, but double quotation mark in printf statement is in the syntax. So how to print that? Hence, \double quotation mark is used. This is one of the major advantage of escape sequence to print single quote and double quotes in printf statement. And \0 is a null character. Let's have a quick recap. Escape sequence is a sequence of characters that doesn't represent itself when used inside a string literal or character. It always begins with a backslash, and using escape sequence, it is possible to print single quotes and double quotes. In the next coming lesson, that is operators, we would be learning what are operators, detailed characterization of operators,